Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to Chi Dash step by step. This essential movement technique in Shindo life allows for incredibly fast repositioning, giving you a significant edge in battles. Understanding its mechanics and requirements is key to mastering your gameplay. We'll cover the basic controls, necessary stat investments, and how to effectively integrate it into your combat strategy. Get ready to move like a true ninja. To perform a basic Chi Dash, the process is quite straightforward. First, you'll need to hold down your block button. On PC, this is typically the right click. While holding block, immediately press your dash button, which is usually Q for PC players. This precise sequence will trigger a quick, evasive burst, allowing you to cover short distances rapidly. Practice this combination to build muscle memory. To truly unlock and enhance your Chi Dash, specific stat investments are crucial. You will need to have at least 400 points in both your ninjutsu and Kai stats to enable the standard Chi Dash. For those seeking an even more expansive movement, a wider dash requires 200 taijutsu stats. Investing in these areas will make your dashes more effective, allowing for greater tactical flexibility in any encounter. Mastering the Chi Dash offers numerous advantages, transforming your movement and combat capabilities. You'll gain a significant edge in both offensive and defensive maneuvers, making you a much more formidable opponent. Consistent practice is key to perfecting your timing and direction, ensuring seamless execution in high-pressure situations. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be dashing like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.